The wind through your hair and the exceptional speed has made you consider riding a motorbike. For bike lovers out there, the thrill of riding a motorcycle is always an advantage. But have you ever thought which is the fastest motorcycle in the world? Of course, speed comes at a price, and these types of motorcycles are equipped with advanced and powerful engine. Take a tour on the list for the 10 most fastest motorcycles in the world today, and you'll feel the rise of your adrenaline. At number 10 is the Aprilia RSV 1000R Mil. This motorcycle is the fastest superbike from Aprilia company, which is powered with 998cc V-twin engine producing an output of 141.13 horsepower at 10,000 rotations per minute. This motorcycle is using 6-speed chain drive transmission system. In just 10 seconds, it can cross from 0 to 87 miles per hour, and its maximum speed is 175 miles per hour. At number 9, we have the Honda CBR 1100XX Super Blackbird, which is a Honda motorcycle part of the CBR series made from 1996 to 2007. It is powered with 1137cc liquid-cooled 4-cylinder engine producing an output of 153 horsepower at 10,000 rotations per minute. The bike was developed to challenge to the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 as the world's fastest production motorcycle, and Honda succeeded with a top speed of 178.5 miles per hour. The second mass-produced F4 is MV Agusta F4 1000R, which was released in 2007 and came with an updated 174 horsepower engine. The engine used is a 4-cylinder 16 radial valves DOHC liquid-cooled engine. The transmission system used by this motorcycle is multi-disc wet clutch on 6-speed cassette gearbox. The maximum speed of this motorcycle is 184 miles per hour, which ranks number 8 on the list. The 7th fastest motorcycle in the world is the Yamaha YZF R1, which is produced by renowned Japan's motorcycle manufacturer Yamaha. The new 2017 YZF R1 features 998cc liquid-cooled 16-valve DOHC inline 4-cylinder engine. It produces a maximum power of 200 horsepower at 30,500 rotations per minute. It uses the constant mesh 6-speed transmission system. The top speed of the Yamaha YZF R1 is 186 miles per hour. At number 6, we have the BMW S1000RR. It is the fastest BMW bike ever made so far, which has an eye for an advanced aerodynamic. The engine is a newly developed 4-cylinder piston 999cc engine, which produces an output power of 204 horsepower at 30,500 rotations per minute. It uses a 6-speed transmission system. With this power, it travels up to a top speed of 188 miles per hour. And number 5 is the Suzuki Hayabusa, which is a sport bike motorcycle made by Suzuki since 1999. It immediately won acclaim as the world's fastest production motorcycle with a top speed of 194 miles per hour. This Japanese origin motorcycle is using 1340cc 4-stroke 4-cylinder liquid-cooled DOHC 16-valve engine, which produces 197 horsepower at 6,750 rotations per minute. Transmission system used by this motorcycle is a 6-speed with constant mesh. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX is the 4th fastest motorbike in the world. In just 2.7 seconds, this super vehicle could travel 0 to 60 miles per hour. It uses 1052cc 4-stroke 4-cylinder DOHC liquid-cooled engine, which produces a power output of 197.3 horsepower at 10,000 rotations per minute. This motorcycle is using 6-speed transmissions as some of the other fastest motorcycle. The maximum speed attained by this motorcycle is 208 miles per hour. At number 3 is the MTT Y2K turbine motorcycle, also known as the Y2K turbine superbike. It's a motorcycle powered by a turboshaft engine made by Marine Turbine Technology since 2000. Guinness World Records consider it as the most expensive production motorcycle. It features Rolls-Royce 250 C18 turboshaft engine that produces a maximum power of 320 horsepower at 52,000 rotations per minute. Its maximum speed is 227 miles per hour. At number 2 is the Hypersports Kawasaki Ninja H2R, which is one of the fastest production superbike till date. Powered with 998cc supercharged DOHC inline 4 engine, it produced an output of 310 horsepower at 40,000 rotations per minute. It uses a 6-speed dog ring transmission and its maximum speed is 248 miles per hour. At number 1 spot is the Dodge Tomahawk, which was introduced by Dodge at the 2003 North American International Auto Show. It is powered with 8.3-liter V10 SRT10 engine from the Dodge Viper Sports car, which can produce 500 horsepower at 5,600 rotations per minute. It uses a simple transmission system that is a 2-speed manual transmission. At 350 miles per hour, the Dodge Tomahawk is the world's fastest motorcycle in the world today. Well, coming to the end, we would like to thank all of you for watching the video and subscribing to our channel. Please do share our videos and don't forget to put a thumbs up if you like the video. Till next time, bye-bye.